Tesla fam, guys, if you've ever lost track of where you've actually parked, don't worry, guys. Tesla's car finder feature has you covered. So basically, in a few steps, okay, just a few taps, you can locate your Tesla using your mobile app, okay? So let's walk you through it. I have put an outline of the steps at the top left for you to follow. So first things first, guys, you want to just open up the app, okay? Open up the Tesla app, just grab your smartphone and launch the Tesla app. Make sure you're actually logged into your Tesla account and your phone is actually paired with your vehicle. Then, guys, what you want to do is locate the car finder option. So on the app's home screen, you want to look for the location section or just tap on your vehicle's icon. Okay, this will actually open up a map displaying your Tesla's current location, and the map basically pinpoints your Tesla's exact parking spot. You just want to basically use the zoom feature for more precise details if you're actually in a large parking lot. And actually, guys, to make it even easier to locate your car, just tap on honk to sound the horn, or flashlights for a visual cue. Okay, it's basically perfect for crowded areas. Then, guys, what you want to do is just follow the app's map directions to walk directly to your Tesla. The live location updates make this very, very easy and super simple. And that's it, guys. So go ahead, hit that link in the description, guys, to upgrade it right further. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys in the next video.